Welcome to another video. We won't stop until we win in Stumble, guys. Now we're doing Stumble Rumble teams. Only thing we don't like about teams in Stumble, guys, you have to rely on someone other than yourself. I'm not saying we are the best, I'm saying at least we can trust us, but we don't know about our teammate. But let's see what happens. Let's do this. And the idea is I won't stop playing until I win. So let's hope I win fast. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I love this game. Where is my teammate? Oh, damn it. Woo! Okay, I love it already. I didn't do much, I will admit that. I did not do much, but we did something. At least we made it through. Haha. Let's see if we can beat it again. Woo! So like our chances now. It's better than before. Funny long massive. I'm a clown. He isn't funny. We are a perfect team. Sorry. Where is it? Haha, we are back in it, my guy. Oh no. Yes! This is how you win it. Last man standing. Woohoo! I guess we won't stop until we win. Went very fast this time. Not gonna complain about it. It was fun. It's always a rush this game. Woo! Let's see what crown it was. Crown 104. Nice. Woo! What now? Ooh, ability keys. Nice. Nice. And we want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again next week. In another, we won't stop until we win Stumble, guys. Come on, guys.